Welcome back to Kicles Lab.
KiclesshOw.
I really love lava lamps. They were invented in 1960. But I can't find a lava lamp in stores. Luckily, there's a way to make a lava lamp using science. Take a look at this.
For this experiment, you will need plastic mason jars, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and fizzing tablets. Start by filling the mason jar with water quarter of the way up. Add some drops of food dye. Fill the rest of the mason jar with vegetable oil. Add a fizzing tablet. I'm using a vitamin C tablet. And watch your lava lamp react. You can also place the lava lamp over the flashlight of the phone for a very cool effect. Experiment using different colors and enjoy your lava lamps. You can place them anywhere in your room. To reactivate your lava lamp, just add another fizzing tablet. And there you have it, your own homemade lava lamp.
For our second experiment, we're launching balloon rockets. Take a look at this.
For this experiment, you will need 2 chairs, a yarn ball, straws, a balloon pump, and balloons. Start by spacing your chairs apart. Cut off the bendy part of the straw and thread the string through the straw. Tie one end of the string to a chair. Tie the other end of the string to another chair. And pull the chairs apart to make the string taut. Blow up a balloon. And hold the neck closed so that it doesn't deflate. Stick the balloon to the straw just like this. Release the balloon and watch it flop. You can also hold the neck of the balloon closed using a rubber band. You could set up a second line and attach another balloon. Now you can race them with a friend.
3, 2, 1.
Now what's going on? As the balloon deflates, it pushes out the air inside the balloon. The air pushes the balloon away from the chair and along the string in the opposite direction. Scientists describe this with a rule: every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Wait, why did that happen? The strings are tangled. Wait, what's that? There's a paper taped to the balloon. How did that get there? Let's see. There's something written on it. Do you think this is from the Game Master? It says, in the forest you will find answers and the truth behind? With like 3 dots after behind? So, behind what? What do you think this means? The forest. There's this forest that's not far from here. Maybe he wants me to go there? Comment down below what you think this means. I guess I should go there.